welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another clean and decorate with me, and this will be my last one. So I ran by Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and a store called Dirt Cheap to get some more decor so I could finish up my Valentine's decorating. But before I could get to the decorating part, I had to get all the cleaning done first.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, a fancy car. You're insatiable. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals. But you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start and let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning.
So I wanted to take a few minutes to say hello to anyone who may be new. My name is Courtney, and I do cleaning videos, decorating videos, and DIY videos, and a little cooking as well. So if you are new, and if you don't mind, you can push that subscribe button so you can be part of my little YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, my handle name is thelifeofcourtney19. And also, I'll have it down in my description box as well.
Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. Crazy. Let your body. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, it's so crazy.
Yes, I wanted to show you all the dog hair on the floor, because sometimes when the camera is not close to the floor, it doesn't look like I'm doing a whole lot, but believe me, there's dirt on the floor.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
So our living room walks right into our dining room, and so I wanted to come in here and just get it kind of straightened up a little bit, and also kind of move the table so we could have more of a walk room. But I also wanted to get the table clean so I can be able to decorate it later.
Surprise when I met you in the doorway. And a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you, 'cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. Do it all over. At your place over spring break, a heartache. I do it all over again. Do it all over again.
Now that I got the vacuuming done, I can move on to mopping the hardwood floors, and I'm going to do the dining room and the living room as well.
Late nights on the sofa, chilling, watching TV, doing nothing with you. Doing nothing with you. Yeah, I'm so thankful for everything that life has been putting me through. Cause now I get to be with you. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Cause I've never felt like this before, and I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you, Still can't believe got to fall asleep with you in my bed. With you in my bed. Cause all my life I've been worried that I'll never find the one, but you proved me wrong. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Cause I've never felt like this.
Now we are moving on to my favorite part of the video, which is the decorating. And I love our little shelves, but sometimes they can be a pain in the butt because decorating them can be very difficult, especially when you think you have an idea of what you want to do and then you go to put it up there and it doesn't fit. So I had to rethink and replan everything that I thought that I had, but honestly, everything turned out so cute and I love it, and my parents do as well.
I'll do whatever you want me to do. Cause I've never felt like this before, and I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you.
So right here I had the garland up from my last video, and it said true love or love story, one of those, but I didn't like that you couldn't actually see the words, so I got this from Walmart and I decided to switch these out.
Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe.
So real quickly, I wanted to bring you guys a quick little smoothie recipe, and the name of it is called Love Potion Smoothie, and I will definitely link it down in the description box for you guys. But all you need is a half a cup of frozen strawberries, a half a cup of frozen raspberries, 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt, a half a cup of ice cubes, and 1 cup of apple juice.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to?
So this smoothie was delicious, and definitely will be making this again. But again, check out the recipe down in my description box if you think you would enjoy it.
And like all of you, I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the
So I absolutely love how everything turned out. It was very simple, but you can tell it was decorated for Valentine's Day, and that was the look I was going for. And that's what I end up doing with the love story garland, just putting it under that table. And this is what I end up doing on our dining room table. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to push that subscribe button if you're new, and make sure you give this video a like, and let me know in the comments what your favorite decor was, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.